recording?
It is recording. Okay. All right, Tommy. So, okay. All right. So, today we are going to do a math lesson, okay? And our math lesson is going to be over two-digit addition, okay? I don't know if you've seen it before. If you have, that's good. If you haven't, I'll teach you how, okay? So first, I'm going to give you a dry erase marker and a board. What color do you want?
Black.
Black? Okay.
I actually want blue.
You actually want blue. Okay, that's good. Okay, now I'm going to write down a problem on my dry erase board, and you're going to write the answer on yours, okay? Easy addition. You should get these, no problem. Oh, you don't have to write the whole problem. You can write the answer if you want to. Good. Okay. Same answer, huh? All right, what about... Okay, so I think that you know those one-digit ones pretty well, don't you? Okay, so since you know those, let's go on to some harder ones, okay? All right, so today we're going to learn how to do 2- and 3-digit numbers, okay? So we're going to start out with something like this. If I gave you the problem 52 plus 36, okay? Then what we're going to do is, you don't have to write anything yet, just listen. What we're going to do is we're going to draw a line to separate. Do you know what we're separating?
Yeah.
What are we separating?
The numbers.
The numbers, but do you know what place this is over here?
Yeah.
What place is it?
6.
Okay, it's 6, but it's the ones place, right?
Yeah, ones place.
Okay, what is this over here?
Tens place.
The tens place, that's right. So when we start out, we're going to add 2 plus 6 and get...
9.
Oh, you're close. 2 plus 6. There you go. 8. And then we have to move over here and we have to add our tens. So we're adding 5 plus 3, but we're really adding 50 plus 30, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what is 5 plus 3?
8.
8. So our answer is what?
88.
88, because remember this was actually 80 because it was 5 tens and 3 tens, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you don't have to write it. You're going to get one. I'm going to give you one of your own, I promise. I'm glad you want to practice, though. All right. So, now I'm going to give you some of these problems, and we're going to see how well you do for a little bit, and then we'll get a little bit harder, okay? All right. So, I'll write the problem, and then you can draw your lines and write your answer. Deal?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try 25 plus 32. See how we do. Good. Good. Now our tens place. Good.
Can you do one in the middle?
Yep, I'm going to write you another one. Okay. What about if we do 54 plus 27? Nope, not 7. Sorry. 23. Haha. Good. Now what is that line separating?
The numbers.
The numbers, but what places? What are those places?
Ones.
Ones. And what about over here?
Tens.
Good. So is this really 5?
Yeah.
Is it really?
Yeah.
It's in the tens place. So what does it actually mean?
50.
50. Okay, good. All right, go ahead. Where do we start? Oh, do we start over there? Okay, you got the right answer, but where do we start? Which place do we add first?
Ones.
We always add our ones first, yes, and I might have confused you by asking you questions. But yes, always add your ones first, remember. All right, let's try 2 more, okay? Let's try 65 plus 43. Ooh, that one's kind of tricky. See if you can figure it out. Oh, where do we start? There you go. Make sure you start with your ones. Good. Oh, look at you. You figured it out, didn't you? We had to add another place on that one, didn't we?
Yep.
So we had 100 in there, didn't we? All right. One more. Let's do 72 plus 30. Oh, no, plus 23. Yep. Where do we start? Good job. Ones place. Very good. Awesome. Look at you. Okay. Now, since you've done so well, we're going to add another step. Okay?
Oh, yeah.
So let me see the marker so you can focus all your listening ears on me, okay?
Okay.
Now, since you're doing so great, we're going to add a third set of numbers, okay? So we're going to do 25, 41.
Can I use the red one this time?
Yes, you can. All right, so we're going to add, wait, not yet. Just watch, remember? Okay, we're going to add all 3 of these numbers. It's a lot of numbers, right? Okay, so we're going to draw our line, remember, just so we don't get confused. And start with our ones. You want to add these 2 first, and you can draw a little arrow and write the answer if it helps you remember it, okay? So what would 5 plus 1 be?
6.
6. Good. And now 6 plus 0?
6.
6. So our ones place is 6. Now over here in our tens place, we got to do 2 plus 4.
6.
Which is really what? 20 plus 40, remember?
Yeah.
Just so we remember. Now 6 plus 3.
9.
9. So we got 96. Okay? It's a little bit tricky. You don't have to do this part if you can remember it, okay? But sometimes it's easier if we write that answer just so you know what you already got. Okay. You want to use red this time. You got it. All right. Let's do the problem 13 plus 22 plus 41. Okay. Very good. Our lines just help us remember where we're starting. Remember your ones place. Okay. Very good. You didn't even have to do that extra little step. You're so right. Very good. Look at you. Look at you. Okay. So, I'm going to give you a couple more just to make sure we've got it. Let's do 25 plus, oh, nope, let's not do that. We just did that. Let's do 16 plus 32 plus 21. Okay. Good. Look at you. That's awesome. Okay, let's do 3 more. Deal?
Yeah.
3 more? Okay. Let's do 41 plus 22 plus 13. Good. Awesome. You're so awesome. Let's do one below it, okay? Let's do...
How about you doing you?
Oh, you want me to do it over there? Okay, I can do it over there. Let's do 25 plus 32 plus 21. Good. Awesome. All right. Let's try one more.
You're in the middle.
Okay. 10 plus
20?
20. Okay.
30?
Plus 30. Okay. Let's see if you can do that. All right, you got the right answer, but what did you not do first? You have to do your ones first. Because one day, when they get a little harder, you're going to have to move some numbers around. So you want to always start with that ones place, okay? Well, I said we were going to do 3 more. How many did we do?
3.
3. I think we're done, huh? All right, let's move on. And I am now going to since you did so awesome, I'm going to let you make your own problem. Cool, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you can write your own problem and try to solve it. Okay, 50. Okay, now hold on. Let me help you out just a little bit, okay? This 5, is that 50 or is it just 5?
5.
It's just 5, right? Mm-hmm. So let's move it over to our ones place.
Okay.
Okay. There you go. So that way, if we draw our line down the middle, we make sure that 5 stays on the ones place, right?
Yeah.
Don't forget your symbol. All right. All right, you can go. Remember ones place first. Seven. Good. Very good, because we know if there's nothing there, it's kind of like a 0, right? All right. Let's let you make one more, okay? One more.
I want to do 3 more.
You want to do 3 more? Well, okay. Let's do 3 more then.
Okay. I do 1 here, here, and here.
Okay. I like that choice. You're good. If you want to, so you make sure your numbers are lined up, you can go ahead and draw that line down the middle. Yeah. And just make sure you write your answers on the right side of it. Okay? Okay. Oh,
oops.
I think that would go at the bottom, huh? There you go. Okay. Start here with the problem. $50. You like 50, huh? All right.
Mm, 100?
Do you want to do them with 100? Okay, but we need to add one more line here. So we make sure we have our hundreds place. Good. Now remember, don't forget to put your plus sign there so we know we're adding. It goes right here. Good. Right next to the 100. Good. All right. Start with this one. Let's solve it. Don't forget to start with your ones place. Oh, you know that ones place. Don't be over here yet.
0?
There you go. All right. Now what do we have? 5 plus 6 is what?
11.
11. Ooh, 11 plus 7. Do we need to write that off to the side? Maybe. What about 11 plus 7? Does that make it easier? 7 plus 1 is?
8.
8. And 1 plus nothing.
1.
So we got 18, right? So if you write 18, oh, hundreds place. So what's your answer?
180.
There you go. Okay, let's go over here.
Okay.
What's your ones place? Perfect. Now 9 plus 8. Okay, now wait. Before you put that over there, we don't want to put that 1 right there, right? Because we're not done solving our problem. So where do you think we want to put that 1?
Here.
Oh, well, that would be a good answer because we did go up to the hundreds, but we're going to write it right up here, okay? Because we have to, that's our answer, right? We have to write it up here so we remember to add that 1, right? Because it's part of our answer. So we're going to write it there. So now you can add 1 plus 1. Yep. Well, what's 1 plus 1?
2.
Okay, so 2 goes there. There you go. See, we can't write anything below this line unless it's part of our final answer. That's why we had to put that 1 up there. Okay, so what is our total answer?
270.
270. Wow. All right. Last one. Ones place. Good. 7 plus 8, which is really 70 plus 80. Oh, so you made another hundreds place. What's your final answer?
150.
Wow. You are so smart. You've done great. Okay, so now I'm going to ask you a few questions about our lesson, okay? We're done with the dry erase boards. All right. So now I'm going to ask you about our lesson. What did you learn today in your lesson?
Math.
Math is a good answer. It's a little bit broad. What skill did you learn today? What were we doing?
Addition.
Addition, that's good. And were we adding one-digit numbers?
What?
Were we adding just ones places?
Nope.
Nope. What were we adding?
Tens.
Tens places, right? And even a couple hundreds places in there, didn't we? Okay, good. So what do we do first if we're solving a problem? Do we do our tens or our ones?
Ones.
Ones first. You're absolutely right. Then what do we solve?
Tens.
Tens. And then we have, if we have one more, what do we have?
100.
100s. You're so good. All right. I am going to give you I'm going to use this board so you don't have to write on the tablecloth. I'm going to give you this worksheet, and I want you to do that worksheet, and then we'll check our answers, and then we'll be done for today. I know I heard the bell too. It's okay. This is the last thing. Remember to solve your ones first. Was that a ones place? Did you solve your ones place first? Whoop. Did you solve your ones place first? You better solve that ones first. Good job. You're right so far. Well, we're not there yet. Keep going. I'll help you when we get there. Ones place first. That was not a ones place. That was not a ones place. There you go. All right. Ones place first. Ones place first. You were doing so good, and you just went silly on me. All right. Ones place first. There you go. And now here we have 9 plus nothing. So what do we do?
9.
Yes, you're absolutely right. All right.
5 plus 1, 6. 4 plus 5, 9.
Good.
2 plus 4, 6.
Was that a ones place? I was covering that up, you silly. You're right.
0 plus 0 is 0.
There you go.
8 plus 1 is 9.
Good. I like that we're singing our answers. Oh, 9 plus nothing again.
9 plus nothing is 9.
You're so right. Oh, that's a 9 plus nothing, but there's a number there.
9 plus 0 is 9. 3 plus 2 is 5. 1 plus 7 is 8. 7 plus 2 is 9. 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 7. 2 plus 3 is 5. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 1 is 2.
Look at you! I'm going to give you a big old smiley face because you did awesome today. Thank you so much. Hey, wave bye.
Bye.
Thank you.